AutoSteam is an event designed to expose and enthuse youth to the many exciting careers in automotive and manufacturing. Through hands-on experiences with technology, students interact with industry professionals to learn about the industry and inspire as to what could be in their future.
So what we're talking about here today at AutoSteam is the different design processes that we use to get to production. So we're looking at designers, we're looking at engineers, we're looking at math modelers, we're even looking at different visualization specialists, because it takes an entire team to be able to design a car through the entire production design process. Right on through to being able to take a look at these cars virtually using virtual reality goggles. Yeah, I think this is a great opportunity for the students to come in and take a look at many different aspects in the automotive design realm. I think it gives them a little bit of an idea of what they could look forward to if they decide to pursue a career in the automotive world.
This is a really interesting event. It's fun, you get to see all the cars, you get to learn about what they're going to be doing in the future for engineering, and I just think it's really fun to do. I really like the event, it's really cool. I like all the different stands that they have. During STEM, when I did it last year, my grandpa, he was telling me how he had made several car parts for the car. I have a family of engineers, so I thought that maybe I could also take that trait and be an engineer as well.
I wanted to get into product development from the moment I saw that people were designing vehicles. Like, it was just something I took interest in. I like hearing the roar of engines and just things that sound beautiful, the look, everything. They're just amazing and overwhelming to take all of it in.
The difference between the all-wheel, rear wheel, and the front wheel, because it kind of just showed us what the difference was and how the benefits of the all-wheel affected us in our daily lives. I don't want to be in this field exactly. I just feel this is really interesting.
Something in the engineering field for me, I find it like really interesting.
Be a part of our next exciting AutoSteam event. Learn more at macomb.edu/AutoSteam.